Hi, Dina here from the RevAir. I quickly wanted to share with you an unboxing of a new product I received called RevAir, which is a reverse air dryer. I saw it online and I found it to be different and unique as I've never seen anything like it. It actually sucks in your hair to dry it, making the process quicker, faster, easier, and making your hair healthier versus a traditional hair dryer. As you can see, I have longer hair. It takes me about 10 minutes every morning to dry it and straighten it, as I have a slight wave, so I like to straighten it. So if this product can really cut down on my morning routine and my drying time, that would be awesome. Here's the package that it came in. Obviously it came in a larger box, and I went through and took off a lot of the packaging for the product so you can actually see what's in it. The brochure here, the quick start guide, shows you the parts as well as how to set it up. So let me show you what's in here. We have the actual base unit. We have the hair sucker upper part, and obviously that's the technical term for it. We also have a water bottle and clips for your hair. And then underneath that, there is another box that has the hose, which gets attached to the base unit, the base for the wand, and we have the air filter. So next, I get to assemble all of this and then test it out. Okay, so here we are with setup. Here's the filter, and there is the little notch right there, and it just sits in here, and you can actually hear it click to let you know that it's in there. If you do not put the filter in or put it in correctly, the unit will not start. Then you take the hose, you find the little notch, and it just sits right in there, and you can hear it click, and you tighten it down. Once I took the packaging off of the hose, I noticed that they were tied with little hair clips, which was nice. All right, and then you take the second part, and as you can see, there is the outlet or the hooky-doo. You just line it up with the other hooky-doo. There we go, and tighten it, and now you are ready to roll. And here is the base that it sits in. All right, thanks for watching part 1 of the unboxing for RevAir. Stay tuned for part 2, the fun part on actually getting to test it out.